Hi everyone, welcome back again with me, Christy Tania, in my kitchen, and today we're going to have a new episode with Thermomix where we're going to bake a vegan versions of hot cross bun. With Thermomix and my recipe, we've made it super easy for everyone to do it, and pretty much from scratch to finish. You can spare around like 20 minutes, 25 minutes of cooking time, maybe around an hour for like proofing and baking, and you have a warm, delicious hot cross bun for your family. Why it is super amazing to make hot cross bun in your own Thermomix, it's that it already has the recipe that is preloaded in a cookie dough that has a step-by-step method for you to do it without confusions, and everything is scaled to the T. So all you gotta do is just to log into your cookie dough. So you can search Christy Tania. It will come out with all of my recipe collections, and you just have to follow the step from the beginning to the end. So without further ado, let's start cooking. So we are on the next step that is very important when you are making a hot cross bun, which basically is the shaping. Lightly grease your work surface with spray foam or with like oil. Do not dust it with any flour because it's basically going to change your recipe. This is after the stage where you have already put all of the dried fruit and the dough is already formed. So easy for you to just like put it upside down. The weight itself is going to pull the entire dough down. The important part here is the shaping of the hot cross bun. All right, so there you go. Very easy. Okay, there's still a little bit of fruit here that we're going to scrape. All right, so you have your surface that is slightly greased. Slightly grease your hand as well. Just give it a little bit of a knead and make it form into a long oblong as such. It's easier for you to cut. On average, try to cut at 80 grams. Cut everything to size. All right, so now you've scaled everything to a roughly of 80 grams. Again, lightly oil your hand. So you need to put it into a cusp, yeah? So like just a cusp like this, and push it forward, backward, forward, backward, then start to roll. You need to add a little bit of pressure to it. So not just like this, but add a bit of pressure. The friction from the gluten and your bench is going to help you to form this dough. Place it into your tray that has been lined with baking paper. So the second most important step is the proofing. So first of all, make sure that you space them evenly, not too tight or not too wide. You have to cover it up a little bit with a film wrap or with just like a piece of plastic. Lightly spray them and cover them on contact. What I like to do to proof mine, I turn on my oven to between 60 to 100 degrees and I turn it off. So right now my oven is kind of like warm and I place it inside. Also with me here is a pot of boiling water. In that oven that is turned off, I'll put them in together with a pot of boiling water. The steam is gonna help them to proof it even more. So you just have to do it between 30 minutes to 45 minutes until they're double in size. So we have the one that is already double in volume. Careful peel off the plastic. Then we're baking it in the oven, 170 to 180 degrees between 15 to 17 minutes until they are golden brown in color. We have the hot cross bun cooked. Smells so amazing. Just really brings out the warmth of Easter to you. So you just make sure that you have like a grill rack. Pull it off. So you want this to cool down quickly too. So just get like a knife or like a palette knife and try to move it off the paper. Slit the paper underneath, and we're gonna brush it with sugar syrup. And there you have it, a vegan hot cross bun that is so warm, straight up from the oven. Smells amazing, my kitchen smells amazing. And the best part of using Thermomix is it's very easy to clean up. So one of the best functions that I love is the pre-clean function. So I just fill it up with water, a splash of white vinegar or lemon juice or lime juice if you have it at home, and just pre-clean. Go to the dough settings and just leave it. And while it's working, here's to you. Yeah.